Can I sell the purple rock star on the YouTube?
No. No one will buy your shit.
Really will buy my sheet. They want my sheet. Don't you want my sheet out of my steaming onion hole?
It came on my chest one night and I woke up in a warm sweat pool of sheet. And it was from SVEDKA's onion rot.
And SVEDKA sheet a lot. And I'm SVEDKA.
SVEDKA farted for first time in her life today. And it smelled like dog shit mixed with green Sour Patch Kids. In a blender.
It also smelled like party in the pants.
A poop party? A shiza party?
I gave him a haircut today.
You want to turn this into battle?
I'll punch you in your club.
Do not punch me in the
you.
club. I'll cover it with your keyboard. I'll punch you in your teeth. Right in the teeth.
Don't.
Okay, cover the crumb. Cover the crumb.
Don't punch me in the TTs.
I will poke you two or three finger in the onion rot. In the rot hole.
Don't touch the onion rot. This is my onion rot.
It's not considered touching if your onion rot is so numb from anal sex you can't feel it. So, you know, it's not touching. I want something to touch.
No! Mine.
I want some.
You can eat these Sour Patch Kids.
They remind me of your first fart, though. It smelled like shit. It smelled bad. It happened right there, in that very cage.
He farts constantly.
I fought a lot. For my nationality.
He never stops.
You're not known for fart.
His hole just keeps blowing and blowing, and it never ceases. It never ceases.
Even when I have butts, but how you say sex butt? Sexy butt?
Sex in the cornhole.
Butts? Sex butt. I call sex butt. It's farts even then. even then does it fart? Oh! Oh, you're bad! Oh, you're naughty. Give me a bite.
No.
Give me a bite. That looks so gross.
Ooh.
One bite. Leave it up. Other end.
Eat the whole thing, Leopold. Jim doesn't like the cock. When Jim talks about butt sex, he really
means, I mean sex with Jamie.
My fingers.
In vagine.
When I reach around for his butt. Okay.
That's how I learned it.
Jim, what kind of birds always stick together?
Sexbutt birds.
No, they'll cross. Aha!
You piece of shit.
They'll cross.
It's a piece of shit joke.
Yes. Just because you didn't get it right. You just think you're so smart and you're not. You lose.
Let's take a quick moment to acknowledge our sponsors.
Okay.
Water from sink of Jamie SVEDKA. Jamie SVEDKA.
Rockstar Purple Energy Drink. Wildberry Skittles.
Foster Baby.
The Sour Patch Kids.
Receipt.
and water from Iceland, which really came from the sink of
SVEDKA.
The sink of SVEDKA / Jamie. And we also, if you hear the sick in my throat, we also
Sick my throat.
we also support Shape a Call, which is a throat numbing thing.
Allergen.
Anti-allergen.
Anti-fungi.
You spray it in the throat like so. You open the mouth and you spray.
Up to four.
Up to 4 times. It tastes great. You don't need to wash it down with water ever at all because it's so good. And
What's the fuck are you doing? Washing it down.
I'm drinking the water. It tastes good. I will talk about your brown nipples if you talk about my fart.
I will talk about your places of hair if you talk about my nipples are brown.
Are you going to talk about my arm and my buttocks? My dingleberries?
Dingleberries, yes.
My party in the back of my underwear?
They might come into play.
I have the door in the back of the underwear for the party to enter.
SVEDKA, don't embarrass yourself. You may be at home, but we are on YouTube.
I got Jim to ride a horse the other day, and the horse
was you.
The horse kicked Jim in the balls.
And then you massaged them for me.
And then Jim has 1 ball now. So you know he's not.
It's still a good
I was considering breaking up with him because he can't blow his load as hard. But
all over your chest.
Yes, there and everywhere else. You know, in the world, the back of my knees, especially my elbows.
With some nice tendons back there.
Yes. I have very nice tendons in the back of my elbows and my knees.
And your knees, perfect.
Yes.
Feel kind of sticky still.
No.
From a few.
They're not sticky. I clean them.
Ago.
I clean them with the loofah.
An hour ago.
And no.
You did not shower an hour ago. After, you know, use the back of your knee.
Don't be as gross, or as I would not put the video on the YouTube. Okay?
I apologize. Anything else you want to talk about?
Yes. Don't do drugs.
And
So-
and if girl is on top, no pregnancy.
No pregnant, because
Gravity is law of physics.
it pushes it down and out.
And don't worry about that.
And protected sex with the condom is not real sex. So no.
Holy shit! You made me spill it.
Mine.
Oh, you are bastard.
Jim just tried to steal my special drink. Now, that is what Jim got.
We're through here.
What?
Things are going to get ugly real soon.
Jim wants to get off the cam. He's upset.
Very angry with you, SVEDKA.
Hey, Jimmy's gone, but I'm sorry you had to hear that. I'm sorry you had to hear that. I will talk to you guys later, very soon. Okay, bye.